June 1st, 2019, down here at Twin Ponds for my first trip of the year with my electric unit that I can use on the electric only lakes here. So just doing it close to home again at Twin Ponds, just to give everything its first run through for the season. Just trying to catch some panfish for some cut bait. It's just that easy. I'm just fishing with the Berkeley power bait on the end of my bare hook, and so we can see that it's effective. Well, to sum up my day, what I learned was that little frog was fun to pitch. I sure saw quite a few strikes. I never did catch anything, but it was maybe just too small a fish, like panfish, garden or nest, and that's why I didn't catch anything. I did catch a few fish for the cut bait for my catfishing. The other thing that I'm going to do is go back to my fiberglass pole. I did get a full 10-foot section here for my power pole anchor system, but it's just too noisy. I'll go back to my fiberglass pole. It's only 6 foot, but again, it was just irritating to hear that metallic noise. I'm also going to drop my motors down a little bit. No sense having them that shallow when it's not needed, and the sucking sound that it creates once in a while was kind of irritating.